Get a feel for the 2020 Hyundai Sonata. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This well-built, stylish Sonata delivers the best in family sedan comfort. With a spacious, quiet cabin, ample cargo space, a suite of advanced safety features, and connected infotainment on board, you'll look forward to every drive. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: 4-cylinder engine, backup camera, lane keeping assist, alarm, Bluetooth connection, stability control, 8-speed AT, traction control, daytime running lights, power windows. Get the modern style and connectivity you crave together with the space and comfort of a family sedan in this striking Sonata. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.